Hello everyone. Welcome back to SKLEARNING, where we simplify tech and tools for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to extract and validate IP addresses in Notepad++. Whether you're analyzing logs or processing data, this tutorial will save you tons of time. Let's get started. To follow along, make sure you have Notepad++ installed. If not, you can download it from the official website. Open Notepad++. First, open your data file in Notepad++. This can be a log file, text document, or any file containing potential IP addresses. Next, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the search dialog box. Switch to the Find tab and enable the Match using regular expression option at the bottom. Use this regular expression. I will give you some explanation. Explanation. B. Ensures we match whole words to avoid partial matches. D1, 3, 3. Matches three groups of 1 to 3 digits followed by a dot. D1, 3. Matches the final group of 1 to 3 digits. The entire pattern ensures valid IPv4 structure. Click Find All in current document. Now, if you want to extract the IP addresses, switch to the Mark tab in the same dialog box. Paste the same regex, check Bookmark line, and click Mark All. This will bookmark all lines containing IPs. And that's it. You've successfully extracted and validated IP addresses using Notepad++. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SKLEARNING. Let me know in the comments if you'd like more regex tricks or Notepad++ tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.